This hat is a hat and a scarf in one. It is especially suitable for autumn and winter. It is beautiful and warm. It is very suitable for riding or walking. This hat is made of velvet and thick material. It is very soft and comfortable. It has great elasticity and can adapt to various face shapes. It will not squeeze the neck. It is windproof and warm when worn on the head. It is really comfortable. This
winter cycling, you can wear this one-piece warm hat. It is made of thick plush. It is really warm to wear and prevents your neck from freezing. It can be used by both men and women.